In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to make this really simple flicker, and this is how it flies. Alright, ready, set, here it goes. Okay, so for this flicker, I'm going to use a 6-inch square of Kami, but you could use a sheet of printer paper cut square. So let's begin with the white side up, and let's fold in half. Try to make very precise folds, and crease sharply. Unfold, and make a door base. So fold both sides to the middle. This is a super simple model, by the way. So if you're in the mood for that, this one's perfect. Okay, rotate, and fold in half like this. Okay, unfold, and fold this edge to the middle. Don't unfold, rotate, and fold this edge to the top. Okay, unfold, and now we're just going to make a little airplane fold like this just to taste. Just do it about like that, and repeat here. I'll show you why in just a second. Okay, and why do we make those two folds? So that it'll be easier to stick this flap into this pocket. So we're going to open up this pocket, and we're going to tuck this flap inside there. Like this. Alright, that should be pretty easy. And now flatten it like this against the desk. And now turn over, so this is the side with the crease, not the edge. The side with this raw edge, that's going to be the top of the flicker. So, alright, turn over with the side of the crease. And we're just going to fold these two sides up just a little bit because, you know, see, it's two edges on one side and on both sides, and I don't really like that, so just fold it up so it's a folded edge all the way around. Flickers fly better when they're folded edges all the way around, I think. And creases really sharply too, make it really flat. And repeat on the side. Just fold up just a tad. And crease it really sharply, like run your fingernail against it like 10 times. Alright. And now, just to make it fly a little bit better, extra better, give it some curvature. So it'll give it some lift when it flies. Alright, like this. And there it is, the really simple flicker. And if you want to fold a ghost flicker, click right here for that tutorial. Alright, now I'm going to show you how to fold. I'm going to show you how to fly this flicker now. Alright, here we go. Alright, so to fly the thing, you know the drill. It's just like a flicker. So I'm going to hold it by the side here, and I have the side with the edge, the raw edge facing up, and I'm going to flick on this edge. So here we go. That's a good flicker. Ooh. Alright, well, hope you guys learned that, and make sure you subscribe, and I'll see you guys later. Alright, bye-bye.